So, as you guys saw this morning, I have gotten a lot done. Luca is stirring from his first nap. He's gonna wake up here any second. I didn't try my new coffee creamer this morning because I woke up feeling very icky. I woke up feeling nauseous because all of the phlegm is just in my throat. So I'm hoping maybe later, maybe later today I'll make a cup of coffee. I don't know. I don't usually drink coffee in the middle of the day. So I may have to try it tomorrow morning and just hope that I feel better. Luca also woke up at 6 a.m. this morning, so he's taken a pretty hearty first nap. Like I said, I got a lot done. I got Kevin's lunch packed. I got Kevin's breakfasts for Monday and Tuesday packed. We got the doors put on the entertainment center. Kevin is actually running to Home Depot now because the entertainment center needs drawer pulls and knobs so that all match. When we got it from Alicia's mom, they did not all match. So we're getting black ones just so it looks cohesive with everything else we have in the house. So he went to go do that. And then he'll come back, we'll have lunch, and then we're gonna head to the rental. I don't know what we're gonna actually get done at the rental today. I feel overwhelmed already just thinking about going in there and pricing things. So I'm not sure what will get done, and I also just don't know what to price things. I'm at the point where I'm just like, please take it, but I would like to make money, so I need to price things more on the cheaper side but where I can still make some money back. But people will be like, oh my god, that's such a good deal and I need that, and they'll buy it. So I think the hardest thing that's going to be to come up with a price is furniture and stuff. But yeah, so that's where we're at this morning. A lot has been done. It's been a very productive Sunday morning. I've gotten my shower and everything. But anywho, that's what's up. So I want to make a sandwich, but I didn't want to get my frying pan out again because I just cleaned up the kitchen from making Kevin's breakfast and lunch. So I got out my toaster and I put my ciabatta in it tall ways, and I'm hoping this is gonna work. So I just cut them way thinner than I did previously. I don't know why that one sandwich, because I cut it vertically. Shouldn't have done that. I should have been doing sandwich slices because it's much more enjoyable sandwich slice way than it is the original way that I was cutting it, which was just way too much bread. So I'm gonna try to make a sandwich like this for myself, figure out a lunch for Luca. I think Kevin's wrapping up at Home Depot, then he'll be back. He's gonna have lunch real quick, and then we're gonna head out. All right, this time I added some lettuce. Looking good, looking more like a sandwich. That is so much better. What the heck?
You like it?
Yep. Didn't get the memo that it was St. Patrick's Day. I don't think I have a lick of green on, but Luca's gonna wear some green pants, so you can't get pinched today, huh? Mommy's getting all the pinches. So we're here at the rental, and I'm kind of going back through, looking at everything, trying to figure out if there's anything else that I want to grab today. I already have that box over there. It's for sure going back with us today. And then I've started this second box of stuff that just got left here, but I know that I definitely want. It just didn't fit in a box for us to take with us. So I'm just throwing it all kind of in a box now. So all of this stuff I got through pricing while Kevin was loading up stuff in the backyard. So I made a dent in this corner. All right, the next load. Oh wow, okay, yeah, it is. Kevin was like, please look. Kevin told me to get out and he was like, please look at how squatted my truck is. It's pretty squatted, bro. It's pretty squatted.
It's like a hawthorn.
My husband is trying to drain my pond. He didn't even tell me to say my final goodbyes. I just come out from Luca's nap and he's draining it. Oh yeah, look at it. It's flowing over there now. Wow. Well, bye pond. I don't know why I'm nervous to try this. It just doesn't smell great. Okay. So it's not bad. I kind of like it. It's very like subtle. It's very subtle vanilla. I don't ever add sugar to my coffee. I only add creamer. So I'm glad that it's enough because I was worried that I was gonna have to start adding sugar back in, but it's definitely sweet enough. So that's exciting. And I'm happy to know that my creamer doesn't have a shit ton of bad stuff in it, like the one that I do love, which is, hold on, I'll show you. This is my go-to creamer. It's the Coffee Mate coconut cream. And I did see a recipe to not make this one exactly, but to make a coconut flavored coffee creamer. So I may try that one next, but there's only probably like maybe 2 days left of this one. So anyhow, I'm excited. Wasn't a fail because I was nervous. Yeah, it's good. It kind of reminds me almost of the coffee from McDonald's, just not as sweet. Like the iced vanilla coffee from McDonald's. I feel like this also would be a good base for a caramel coffee creamer. So I may eventually try that too. But I'm very happy, like, hell yeah. Good morning. It's Monday morning. I've been making myself a little list to go throughout the week to keep myself on track because I will think of something that I want to do and then absolutely forget, and then it will never get done. So on today's list, I have a couple things that I'm actually going to push off. I originally wanted to make a dishwashing powder that I saw on TikTok, but I think I'm actually going to wait on making that. This cough is so absolutely annoying. Last night I caved in and I finally got cough medicine, but it didn't help a whole hell of a lot. So anyhow, so I'm gonna wait, make the dishwashing powder closer to when we're gonna use the dishwasher, which I want to use the dishwasher for the first time while Kevin's home because it makes me nervous that they didn't hook it up right or something, and I don't want to use it in house flood or something stupid like electrical wise there's an issue or anything like that. So because it is, I'm getting so annoyed that I can't even speak without coughing. Because it is a couple different powders and a liquid added together, I don't want it to dry out or anything before I can use it. Or not before I can use it, but I also don't have like the perfect container for it currently. So I just washed and blow dried and like styled my bangs, but when I first style them, they don't know how to calm down. I need to go clip them. That way they can cool in that way. So anyhow, I'm pushing that off. And then I was gonna make a carpet spray also today, which I still may make. I have a like carpet cleaner, like a little pet carpet cleaner machine on its way, because Tara came into our bedroom the other night and threw up. We've never had carpet before. We've had rugs, but our rugs have been really easy to spot clean. This carpet is kind of like a shaggy kind of carpet. So I need to carpet clean. So I found like a no toxic carpet cleaner that I'm gonna make, and but I need the little machine for it, so that's on its way. So I may go ahead and make this spray today, and then, oh, that reminds me, I need to add something to my list. Okay, I needed to add baking soda to my list before I forgot, because I need that to clean the carpets. Yeah, I may make the spray today, put it in my little spray bottle that I got from Target the other day. But other than that, I already touched up the entertainment center, which you guys saw, washed my hair, which I was going to do during his second nap, but he woke up 30 minutes into his first nap, and I was able to rescue the nap by just like leaving him in there and letting him figure it out. After 10 minutes of him fussing, he fell back asleep. So thank God, because I may try that with his second naps, because his second naps he's been taking have been 30 minutes, but they also have been not on schedule, because this weekend we have been so busy doing things, and I cannot wait until we can like pull back and slow down again on the weekends, spend time here at the house. Kevin can be outside doing whatever he needs to be doing. I can be baking and stuff like that here. I'm ready for that, because this weekends of constant go, and only him getting one good nap, I at least schedule everything to happen after his first nap. So I'm like, if he only gets one good nap, I guess that's good enough on the weekends, but I would like to get his nap schedule back on schedule. So we'll see this week how it goes, because he does have that doctor's appointment Wednesday. So then, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm going to make the dishwashing powder. I'm just going to put that off to the side. I finally got all the stuff for it, minus the container to put it in. Tonight I'm making the tenderloin, and then the cheesy Brussels sprouts, which I'm very excited about. They're in a cast iron like skillet, and I bought a cast iron skillet just for this. I'd been wanting one, but so yeah, that is kind of like it for today. Last night I showed you guys Kevin sucking the water out of the pond in our front yard, and then last night it rained after he did that, so all the water came back. So if I'm just not vlogging a lot, it's because I literally can't speak, because I cough every time I speak. So these may be a couple short vlogs until my cough subsides. It may be more of like montage vlogs. I'm not really sure, but anyhow, I'm gonna hop off here and relax for the last couple minutes of his first nap, and then we don't have any big plans for today, so I probably won't catch up back with you until around dinner time. I just want to say that this Big Mac Sloppy Joe stuff that I made gets better and better every day. I did have to make a second round of the sauce so I could like add it to it when I was heating it up, but so good. Kevin called me, but while I was on the phone with him, I just put together our tenderloin. So same recipe that I always do. Minced garlic, onion powder, pepper, ranch powder, and onions. Oh, and olive oil. Okay, I just tested out the Brussels sprouts before I pack them up for dinner tonight. They're very good. Like, I'm shook at how good they were. It was kind of, I don't want to say it was a lot of work, because it wasn't a lot of work. It only took 20 minutes, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. Like, the salt was popping. Bless you. The salt was popping everywhere. But this is good. I have one more and then I'm gonna pack it up.